Hello my friends, welcome back. My name is Adele if you are new, and today I'm going to be showing you my April plan with me in my bullet journal. This month's spread is relatively basic and simple, much like my other ones, no surprise there. This is also like the same spreads that I did last month because I really liked them, they worked for me, and so I am doing them again. So this is just my beginning page like normal. I wanted to add a little more decoration or something on that left side, but I decided to keep it very simple and just do those lines and not add anything else because I couldn't think of what to add and I just was not feeling it. On these next two pages, I have some of my trackers. So right now I'm working on my habit tracker, which again, I did last month, and I will link last month's bullet journal above if you want to go check that out. I am a huge fan of this little setup for the habit tracker. I started using it a few months ago and I really enjoy it and it really works for me. I like having all the days laid out so I can see everything, and I think it's really helpful. Also, I feel like lately I've been wanting to change some of my habits, not necessarily get rid of things, but write different ones on here because I've been writing the same habits for the past months, which is great because I know what habits I want to keep, but I'm wondering if I should try new things, start new habits. So comment down below what habits you like to track because I'm curious and I might want to start some new ones. So right here I am working on my social media tracker. Basically, I'm just tracking Instagram and YouTube because that is the thing I like to track. On this page, I am doing my water tracker, which again, I started using recently and I'm a big fan of it. I like having everything laid out, even if it does take a very long time to draw all these boxes, but it works for me and I'm gonna stick with it. Now what I like to do on this side right next to it to kind of fill up this blank white space is find a quote that I like on Pinterest usually and write it out as a nice little form of motivation. Moving on to the next two pages, I have some more trackers because I enjoy tracking things. So on this side I have my mood tracker, which is something new I started doing recently because all the others, even though I've kind of changed up the spreads recently, I've always done them, but this one is something that is completely new to me in the past few months, so I really liked what I saw on Pinterest, because I get everything off of Pinterest, and it's a mood tracker where every month I just kind of change up what it is, and it's a little picture, and I get to color it, and it's all fun. So this one I found on Pinterest. Obviously I did not come up with this on my own. It's like a leaf, and each little line section thing, part of the leaf, you color every day depending on your mood, and you can see the little key that I make at the bottom depending on the color and the mood and stuff like that. So you'll just go through and fill that in throughout the month. And so yeah, I started using this recently and I do like it. I like seeing it all like that, like with the colors and all out like that. I think it's really cool. Moving on to the next page, I have my sleep tracker, which again is the same as the last few months. I really enjoyed it. It works for me. Pretty simple. I just have the hours across the top vertically and then the days. Wait, I got that mixed up. The hours are horizontal on the top and then the days of the month are vertical on the side, and then you just fill in how long you slept. Now moving on to the last pages, I have my weekly log, which I'm pretty sure is the same as last month. I could be wrong, but I am planning on trying a new weekly log and maybe some of my trackers next month just to switch things up. Also, since some of you have been asking, the pen that I am using is the Sakura Pigma Micron pen. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. I really enjoy these. They are quite nice. Highly recommend. Alright my friends, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this little plan with me in my bullet journal. I cannot believe it's already April. It seems like the year is going by faster and faster, especially as I get older, so super weird. But I do hope you enjoyed. this was a lot of fun to make, even though it was very simple. I enjoy making these videos, and I hope you enjoy watching them. So, thank you so much for watching. I love you all, wherever you are. Hope you're having a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video.